Welcome back, Christmas decorators. Today we will talk about Christmas table centerpieces ideas. The holiday season is all about bringing people together, and what better way to do that than by creating a stunning centerpiece that not only catches the eye but also enhances the festive atmosphere. Let's talk about some fabulous ideas, tips, and trends for your Christmas table decor this year. When it comes to Christmas centerpieces, the possibilities are endless. One classic idea is to use a combination of greenery, candles, and ornaments. Imagine a lush garland running down the center of your table, interwoven with twinkling fairy lights and adorned with pine cones, berries, and shiny baubles. Adding a few pillar candles or tea lights in elegant holders can bring a warm, inviting glow to the whole setup. The mix of natural elements with the sparkle of ornaments creates a balanced and festive look that's hard to beat. Another beautiful option is to go for a rustic woodland theme. Think of wooden slices as bases for your centerpieces, topped with arrangements of evergreens, holly, and perhaps a few miniature Christmas trees or deer figurines. You can also incorporate elements like cinnamon sticks, dried orange slices, and star anise for a touch of natural fragrance. This kind of centerpiece not only looks charming but also brings a cozy, earthy feel to your table, making it perfect for a more laid-back, homey Christmas celebration. For those who love a touch of elegance and glamour, metallics are your best friend. Gold, silver, and rose gold accents can transform any centerpiece into a luxurious masterpiece. Consider a chic arrangement with metallic spray-painted branches, glittery ornaments, and crystal candle holders. Adding a mirrored runner underneath can amplify the sparkle and create a dazzling effect. This style is perfect for a sophisticated Christmas dinner or a New Year's Eve party. Minimalist centerpieces are also trending this year. The idea here is to keep things simple yet stylish. A few strategically placed elements can make a big impact. For example, a single large glass vase filled with white flowers and greenery, paired with a couple of sleek candle holders, can look incredibly elegant. Alternatively, you could use a modern, geometric centerpiece with a few well-chosen ornaments and some eucalyptus branches. This style is ideal if you prefer a more understated, contemporary look. Incorporating personal touches into your centerpiece is a great way to make it unique and special. Consider using family heirlooms or DIY elements that have sentimental value. Homemade ornaments, hand-painted pine cones, or even small framed photos of loved ones can add a heartfelt touch to your table. This not only makes your centerpiece one of a kind, but also sparks conversations and memories, making your Christmas gathering even more meaningful. When planning your centerpiece, think about the overall color scheme and theme of your Christmas decor. Harmonizing the centerpiece with the rest of your decorations creates a cohesive and polished look. For instance, if your tree is decked out in red and gold, try to incorporate those colors into your table decor as well. This could be through the use of red berries, gold ribbons, or even matching napkins and tableware. One of the advantages of decorating with centerpieces is that it instantly elevates the ambience of your dining area. A well-designed centerpiece can set the tone for your entire meal, making it feel more special and festive. It's also a great way to express your creativity and personal style. Plus, it provides a beautiful focal point that can be admired and enjoyed by your guests throughout the meal. In terms of trends, sustainability is becoming increasingly important. Consider using eco-friendly materials and elements that can be reused or repurposed. For example, opt for real greenery instead of plastic, and choose decorations that can be incorporated into your home decor after the holidays. Upcycling old ornaments or creating DIY pieces from natural materials like wood, fabric, and paper can also be a fun and eco-conscious way to decorate. Another trend is the use of non-traditional colors. While red, green, and gold are classic Christmas colors, experimenting with different palettes can give your table a fresh and modern look. Soft pastels, icy blues, and even monochromatic schemes can be stunning alternatives. For instance, a centerpiece featuring frosty white flowers, silver accents, and touches of pale blue can evoke a wintry, magical feel that's perfect for a chic and contemporary Christmas celebration. Interactive centerpieces are also gaining popularity. These are designs that encourage guest participation and engagement. Think of a centerpiece that doubles as a dessert display, with tiers of cookies, candies, and other treats that guests can help themselves to. Another idea is to create a wishing tree centerpiece, where guests can write down their holiday wishes or messages on small tags, and hang them on the branches. This not only adds a fun, interactive element to your decor, but also creates lovely keepsakes to cherish after the event. When it comes to practical tips, remember to consider the size and shape of your table. Your centerpiece should complement the table without overwhelming it or obstructing views. For a long rectangular table, a linear arrangement works well, while a round table might benefit from a more compact, circular centerpiece. It's also a good idea to keep the height in mind. You don't want the decorations to be so tall that they block conversation. One delightful idea is to incorporate fresh flowers into your centerpiece. Winter blooms like amaryllis, poinsettias, and paperwhites bring a touch of natural beauty and elegance to your table. You can arrange them in a classic vase or get creative with unique containers like vintage teapots, mason jars, or even hollowed-out logs for a rustic twist. Pairing flowers with greenery such as fir branches, ivy, or eucalyptus can enhance the festive feel and add texture to your arrangement. Another fun idea is to use edible elements in your centerpiece. A beautiful arrangement of seasonal fruits like apples, oranges, pomegranates, and cranberries can look stunning, while also being practical. You can also incorporate holiday treats such as gingerbread cookies, candy canes, and chocolate truffles, arranged artfully around candles or nestled in greenery. This way, your centerpiece can double as a sweet snack station for your guests to enjoy. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating the right ambience, especially during the holiday season. In addition to traditional candles, consider using LED candles for a safer alternative, particularly if you have children or pets around. Fairy lights woven through the centerpiece add a soft, twinkling glow that enhances the festive atmosphere. For a more dramatic effect, you could use lanterns or hurricane lamps filled with fairy lights or candles. One of the great things about Christmas centerpieces is their versatility. You can easily adapt your design to fit different occasions throughout the holiday season. For example, you might create a more formal, elegant centerpiece for Christmas Eve dinner, and then switch to a fun, casual arrangement for a holiday brunch with friends. By simply changing a few elements, like the type of candles or the color scheme, you can keep your table decor fresh and exciting throughout the season. As we wrap up, let's touch on a few more creative ideas and trends that are making waves this holiday season. One trend that's gaining popularity is the use of unconventional materials. Think about incorporating elements like feathers, velvet ribbons, or even faux fur to add a luxurious and tactile dimension to your centerpiece. These materials can bring an unexpected twist and elevate your table decor to a whole new level. Another exciting trend is the monochromatic centerpiece. By sticking to one color palette, you can create a striking and sophisticated look. For instance, an all-white centerpiece with white flowers, candles, and ornaments can evoke a dreamy, snow-covered landscape. Alternatively, a centerpiece with varying shades of blue can give a cool, modern feel. This approach allows you to play with different textures and tones within the same color family, creating a visually cohesive and elegant display. For those who enjoy a bit of DIY, crafting your own centerpiece can be a fun and rewarding project. You could make your own candles, create ornaments from natural materials like pine cones and twigs, or even knit small decorations. Not only does this add a personal touch, but it also provides a great opportunity to get the whole family involved in the decorating process. Finally, don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. Christmas is a time for joy and celebration, so have fun with your decorations. Whether you prefer traditional elegance, rustic charm, modern minimalism, or something entirely unique, the most important thing is that your centerpiece reflects your personal style and brings a smile to your face. That's it for today's video on Christmas table centerpieces. I hope you found these ideas and tips helpful and inspiring. If you have any favorite centerpiece ideas or tips of your own, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our holiday decorating tips and ideas. Happy decorating, and have a wonderful Christmas season.